Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Motor India. Today we are at the Kubota stall at the EXCON. Escorts Kubota has launched several new products which are BS5 compliant at the construction expo, that is EXCON 2025. The products include Hydra 75, a pickup and carry crane, a Hydra 15, a mining variant of the same, Kubota U22 mini excavator, and BLX 75K backhoe loader. In addition, the company also displayed a lot of BS5 compliant products, including the recently launched BLX75 backhoe loader.